I'm here today. Got a package from Boston Scally. It is the new Scrapyard hats. Kind of excited to open them. Let's see what we got. Got my Benchmade Gail Bradley 2. Got nice. Got the brown. So again, this is the Boston Scally Scrapyard. New hat that just came out. Still bent up there a little bit. See how it fits. Oh, nice. Fits good. What do you think? I like this one. And it's made out of a leatherette, a fake leather material, which will probably make it more rugged as far as wearability. It really looks good. It's nicer than I thought it was going to be. That's going to have to become a regular in my hat rotation. Curve. Which one you like better, the black or the brown? I don't know. I'm kind of partial to both. Again, that's the Boston Scally Scrapyard. These things sold out within just a couple of hours of going up, or at least the brown one did. I think this one, the black one, lasted a day or two longer. But I wonder if this will be the first review up on them. And I just placed the order on Friday. I'm surprised they haven't used it. Highly recommend the Boston Scally Company. I love their hats. Check them out. I'll put a link in the video description. You see me wearing them a lot. I like to wear hats as a person that doesn't have hair. In the winter my head gets cold. As a person that doesn't have a lot of melanin in the summer, I burn easy, so a hat solves most of those problems. Take care. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. If you like Scally caps, again, check out Boston Scally. I recommend their caps. I've got a ton of them. I'm not being paid or endorsed to do any of this. I buy the caps with my own money. No contact with the company. I just occasionally on the channel like to endorse products that I wear. Also, people sometimes ask me about this jacket. It's a Sitka jacket, hunting jacket. It's a great jacket. I recommend their products too. Again, like, subscribe, and share. Benchmade, again, Gail Bradley 2, a great knife. See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.